If you're stacking silver and you're skipping 5 and 10 ounce bars, you might be missing what I call the sweet spot of stacking. Let me tell you why these bars here are some of my absolute favorites. Welcome back. I'm Troy Ounce, the Silver Stacker, and this channel is all about physical silver, sound money, and stacking metal you can actually hold. No hype, no debt notes, just real silver. I'd like to share with you 5 reasons why I like stacking 5 and 10 ounce bars. Reason number 1, they are the perfect size, which means size matters. 1 ounce coins are great, I stack them, but premiums can add up fast. But on the other hand, 100 ounce bars, although very cool, not very flexible, and extremely expensive. If you got one, I'll take it. But I feel 5 and 10 ounce bars sit right in the middle. They're big enough to keep premiums lower and small enough to stay liquid when you need the cash. Reason number 2, lower premiums per ounce. Let's talk premiums. When I buy silver, I want more metal for my money if I can get it. 5 and 10 ounce bars usually carry lower premiums per ounce than coins and rounds. That means every dollar works harder. Reason number 3, it's stacking efficiency. Bars stack beautifully. They're compact, uniform, and easy to store. You can build serious weight without taking up much space. There's just something about a stack of bars that is really striking to me. It's almost like looking at Fort Knox. When I look at a stack of bars, I see organized wealth. It's so awesome. Reason number 4, they are easy to verify and trust. Most bars come clearly stamped with weight, purity, and mint mark. They're easy to verify, easy to recognize, and easy to explain if you ever need to sell or trade one. Simple is powerful. But just like with most anything, there are exceptions. And lastly, reason number 5, flexibility for the future. 5 and 10 ounce bars give you options. You don't have to cut a large bar and get stuck selling dozens of small pieces of it. 5 and 10 ounce bars are flexible, and to me, flexibility matters. Now, don't get me wrong, I stack other silver, not just 5 and 10 ounce bars. In fact, I haven't seen silver yet that I didn't like. Now you might ask, who are these 5 and 10 ounce bars good for? Well, if you're new to stacking, bars can help you grow faster. And if you're an experienced stacker, bars help you stack smarter. They're not flashy. They aren't hype. They're serious silver. Well, those are some of the reasons why I like to stack 5 and 10 ounce bars. If you stack silver, let me know in the comments. Bars, coins, or both. What's your favorite? Please hit like, subscribe. Thank you so much. And remember this: stack smart, stack silver. This is Troy Ounce, the Silver Stacker. See you on the flip side.